Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. Allah bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video I am providing you most amazing, most attractive designs of beach dresses ideas. It's crochet handmade beach dresses. So viewer, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end, because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and useful. I hope you all love these type of most attractive designs of beach crochet dresses. So ever share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most amazing designs. I really hope that they will love these beach dresses ideas. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors. In this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs. Viewer, if you all love these article and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Viewer, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me friends and remember me in your precious prayer. See you soon. Bye bye.